Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to paste value only and skip formula in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. In this data is total column have a one formula. So you can see, you can press here the F2 to check the formula. In every cell have a formula. So I'm going to paste the values only, okay, without formula to skip the formula. Simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. And the second way, you can select here inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Okay. Now press the Control C to copy this data and select the destination where you want to paste. I select this cell and press the shortcut key Alt A as V. Okay. And here you can see one dialog box is open. Paste special. Select the values option and click on OK. And that's it. You can see your data is pasted without formula. Okay. You can see here when I select this cell and press the F2, its formula is not here. So it's not showing. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.